Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to use two audio outputs at the same time on a Windows 11 PC. By default, Windows 11 does not allow you to play audio through multiple outputs simultaneously. However, it is possible to share audio with others or listen on different devices simultaneously. To use multiple audio outputs at the same time on Windows 11 PC, first you need to open Settings app. For that, click on this one Start button, then click on this one Settings icon, or you can also use Windows plus I key keyboard shortcut. Under Windows 11 settings, select this one System option in the left sidebar. On the right, click on Sound. On the right, scroll down to the bottom and you will find under Advanced section, More Sound Settings. Click on this one option. Now, under Playback tab, select your output device you want to make primary and right click on it and then select Set as device. Just right click on this one, set as default output device. Now after that, switch to this one Recordings tab. Here right click on the free space, and check this one option, show disabled devices. Now you will find a stereo mix. Select it and right click on it and select this one enable option. Now choose your note down your secondary output device. In my example, headset, this one Infinity Clutch Mini hands free is the my secondary output device. So again switch to this one. After noting down this one secondary output device, go to this one Recording tab and now select a stereo mix again and then right click on it and choose here Properties option. Now switch to this one Listen tab and check this one option, listen to this device. After that, playback through this device drop down menu. In the playback through this device drop down menu, select your secondary device you have noted down. In my example, I have secondary audio output device is Infinity Clutch Mini Hands Free. I will just select it. After that, leave other options default and click on this one Apply and then OK button. Again, click on this one OK button. Now reboot your PC to apply the changes, and whenever you will play any video or audio and your both of the output audio devices are connected to your PC, you will listen sound through both of your devices at a time on your Windows 11 PC. That's all about this video.